was doing good for some time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Ari here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and definitely don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys my top 5 tips on how to keep your hair healthy and just retaining that length. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So my top 5 tips on keeping your hair healthy and just retaining that length. My first tip, I just want to say, you guys, incorporate water into your diet. Water is definitely number one when it comes to cleansing the body and just keeping everything healthy, your hair, your nails, your skin, just everything all around. I can incorporate more water into my diet myself, and I also see a difference in my hair. My hair definitely seems very healthy, well, more healthy than it was. As you can see, I am a color natural, so the more water the better. You just want to incorporate water into your diet, because what you put into your body is how everything else flourishes. So water is definitely number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list for keeping your hair healthy and moisturized is to deep condition. You must add a deep conditioner into your hair routine. It is so important to just keep your hair moisturized. I feel like, you know, even us colored naturals, our hair is so dry. We have to incorporate a deep condition into our routine. I definitely can link some deep conditions down below on what I use, but whatever you use, just add it into your regimen. It will help your hair just grow and just retain that length and that moisture. The more you do it, once a week is just the minimum that you want to incorporate into your routine. A deep conditioner that'll just help seal in that moisture and just, you know, help your hair retain that length. So deep conditioner is number 2. Number 3 on our list for keeping that hair healthy and just retaining that length is low manipulation styles. You know, you could do your twist outs, your braid outs, box braids, Senegalese twists, faux locks, all of that good stuff. But you also want to keep a balance on when you keep that in your hair. You know, you don't want to go too long without co-washing if you've done a braid out or a twist out, and you don't want to leave your hair in for too long if you have braids or faux locks or Senegalese twists, any of those beautiful styles that we love to rock during the winter months. You don't want to leave that in for too long. My opinion, I would say leave it in for about 2 weeks, maybe 2.5, 3 tops. You definitely don't want to go any further than that. You know, our 4th tip on how to keep your hair just healthy and retaining that length is to trim your ends. You definitely want to do it within 6 months. You don't want to go a whole year without trimming your ends. I would definitely say the recommended, or like what the known is that everybody usually goes for, is like 6 months. So every 6 months you want to trim your ends. You know your hair. When your hair needs to be trimmed, that's when you'll do it. Our 5th and final tip, the tip of all tips, because it's so important during these winter months and during any time of the year. Keep your hair off your shoulders. Rubbing it on your shoulders, rubbing it on these scars, if you have any type of wool scarf, or if you have a jacket that's wool or like some type of fabric that's just causes friction, you don't want to leave your hair down for too long wearing that specific type of material, because your hair is prone to breakage. It's just, your hair wants to break. It's like your credit score. It's so easy to drop that score, but it's so hard to get it up there. And that's the same thing with your hair. It's so easy for your hair to break, but it's so hard to maintain that moisture. So what you have to do is keep these tips in mind, and 2, also remember to keep your hair off your shoulders. With that being said, that is my 5th and final tip. I hope these tips helped you. They've definitely helped me throughout my hair journey, and I could definitely say I see a difference in my hair. With my hair being color treated, I've been extra on my deep conditions. I've been drinking plenty of water, and you know, even though it's like freezing cold outside, you know, I try to keep my hair in a bun every few days, and definitely co-wash throughout the week, and then wear my hair out on a wash and go. So these are the tips that I've used. You know, if you guys have any tips for me, I would love to hear them. So definitely leave them down in the description box. That's all for today. I just wanted to make a quick little video on helping you guys retain your length. You guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Later.